The Milwaukee M12 Auto Technician Borescope is a cutting-edge diagnostic tool tailored for inspections in various automotive applications. Its 5mm camera head and 3-foot cable offer exceptional access in tight spaces, while front and side view cameras with adjustable LED brightness enhance visibility. With high-definition photo and video capture, 4x zoom, and a 4.3-inch rotatable screen, it enables precise diagnostics. The tool's compatibility with the M12 battery system adds to its versatility, and the heat-sense temperature alert technology ensures safe operation in challenging environments, making it an essential asset for auto technicians. The Ryobi 1/4 inches hex shank drill pump is a versatile tool that easily connects to drills or impact drivers, enabling quick water displacement with an impressive flow rate of up to 10 GPM. With a 10-foot lift height and 35-foot head height, it accommodates various water transfer tasks, from large-scale projects like camper RV tank handling to smaller chores such as filling or emptying fish tanks, bathtubs, or washing machines. Its durable metal pump housing, 3/4 inches garden hose connection, and dual bearing support ensure a longer lifespan. This pump is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and includes the drill pump, intake hose, and operator's manual. Its 1/4 inches hex shank design ensures compatibility with a range of power tools, and its compact, lightweight structure makes it easy to transport and store. The TOUGHBUILT StackTech mobile organization system is a highly adaptable and robust tool storage solution. Its modular design allows users to create a customized storage configuration, and its rugged construction, including impact-resistant polymers and stainless steel hardware, ensures durability even in harsh conditions. Equipped with all-terrain wheels and a retractable handle, it provides excellent mobility for use on job sites or at home. With various storage capacity options and compatibility with a range of accessories like tool belts and pouches, it offers versatility and convenience. This system is favored by both professionals and DIY enthusiasts for its reliability and efficiency in tool and equipment organization. The TOUGHBUILT open-handle shears are highly suitable for a wide range of cutting needs. These shears are constructed with a high-carbon steel blade, ensuring both sharpness and long-lasting durability. Their ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. The open-handle design makes cleaning and maintenance easy, and precision ground blades allow for clean, straight cuts. These shears are capable of cutting through various materials, such as paper, cardboard, fabric, and plastic, making them an excellent choice for applications like crafts, DIY projects, home improvement, and professional use. In summary, these TOUGHBUILT shears are versatile, top-quality tools for a multitude of cutting tasks. The Ryobi 15-inch gas surface cleaner is the perfect solution for efficiently cleaning hard surfaces such as driveways, patios, and sidewalks. This time-saving accessory offers a cleaning rate up to 5 times faster than a standard nozzle. It achieves this through its rotating jets, which create a wide, streak-free cleaning path. Attaching the surface cleaner is a breeze with its 1/4-inch quick connect, allowing for swift transitions between different cleaning tasks. Moreover, the Ryobi 15-inch surface cleaner is designed to be compatible with most gas pressure washers within the 2500 psi to 3300 psi range. This tool is an excellent choice for enhancing the efficiency of your outdoor cleaning projects. The Hilti Neuron SC4 MR22 cordless circular saw is a robust and versatile tool suitable for cutting various materials, including metal, wood, and plastics. Powered by the high-performance Hilti Neuron battery platform, this saw offers long run time and operates at up to 4,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring it can tackle even the toughest tasks. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle and maneuver, which is particularly beneficial for overhead work. Additionally, the saw features a dust port that can be connected to a Hilti vacuum cleaner for nearly dust-free cutting. With its flexibility and power, It's an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts facing challenging cutting jobs. The Hilti PS85 wall scanner is a user-friendly and versatile tool designed to prevent accidental damage during drilling by accurately locating objects in walls and floors. It is highly useful in various applications, such as identifying rebar, metal pipes, and electrical wires in concrete and masonry walls, detecting voids and cavities, and measuring wall and floor thickness. The scanner offers an array of features, including a large display, data export via SD card, ergonomic design, durability against shock and dust, and power compatibility with Hilti's 12 volts cordless tools. With a maximum detection depth of 200 mm and precise localization accuracy, it helps save time, money, and enhances safety by reducing the risk of drilling into hidden objects. Whether for renovations, installations, or repairs, the PS85 is a valuable tool for safely and accurately locating objects within walls and floors. The Hilti Neuron NCV1022 cordless concrete vibrator is a high-performance, cordless backpack concrete vibrator designed for a variety of concrete consolidation tasks. It operates without the need for a power cord, enhancing mobility and safety on construction sites. The brushless motor delivers consistent and powerful vibrations, even under heavy workloads. Its ergonomic backpack design minimizes operator fatigue, enabling prolonged use. The cordless vibrator boasts an extended battery life, capable of consolidating a substantial amount of concrete on a single pair of batteries. This versatile tool can be used for consolidating concrete in walls, slabs, and foundations, ensuring a solid and durable structure. Additionally, it offers several advantages, including reduced noise pollution, lower emissions, and decreased maintenance costs, making it a valuable choice for contractors aiming to improve work quality and efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. The Ridgid RP15 micro press tool is a compact, lightweight, and powerful press tool designed for use in tight spaces. Weighing only 1.3 kilograms and measuring 33 centimeters in length, it is easy to carry and maneuver. With a pressing force of 15 kN, it's suitable for a wide range of pressing applications. The tool's one-handed jaw opening and operation make it convenient for use in hard-to-reach areas, while its ergonomic design, featuring a slim grip handle and optimized trigger, provides excellent balance and control. Additionally, the RP15 boasts an IP44 ingress protection rating, ensuring durability and resistance to job site conditions. Klein Tools Digital Angle Finder 935 DAF is a compact and highly precise tool for measuring angles, lengths, and calculating miter cut angles with an exceptional accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, making it ideal for carpentry, woodworking, and metalworking. It features a portable design, powered by a single AAA battery, and includes a bright LED display for optimal visibility in any lighting conditions. Additionally, it offers a miter saw protractor function, machined ruler edges for accurate angle measurement, and a durable metallic ruler with clear markings. The 935 DAF is a versatile, user-friendly tool, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver with 2 PC bit kit is a versatile and user-friendly tool, perfect for various home repairs. Its patent-pending pivoting head with 3 lockable positions enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. The tool offers 3 torque settings to suit different tasks and is powered by a rechargeable 4V battery, delivering up to 240 revolutions per minute of torque. An integrated LED light illuminates low-light work areas, and it comes with 2 standard bit sizes, PH2 and SL6, and a USB-C charging cable. Whether assembling furniture, mounting shelves, or handling DIY projects, the Twist 2.0 is a reliable and convenient addition to your toolbox. The NAPEX 975267DT 4-mandrel crimping pliers are designed for crimping male and female contacts in the DT, DTM, and DTP series, with a capacity of 0.35 square mm to 3 square mm, AWG 12. These pliers ensure a secure and uniform crimp with their 4 self-adjusting mandrels. They feature a ratchet mechanism to guarantee a complete and consistent crimp. The pliers also offer ergonomic handles, low manual force requirements, clear crimp depth settings, and a universal positioning locator for versatile adjustment to contact lengths. Ideal for professionals, these pliers are suitable for various applications, including automotive, industrial, and aerospace. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.